What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to start your LLC in the state of Georgia. So starting your LLC and getting your business started is one of the best things that you could potentially do, like to be official, Get your LLC and the EIN number is going to allow you to get like a business bank account, a business credit card, and all of that good stuff. So in this video, I'm going to make it really fast and easy for you guys. So we're going to get something that's called the LLC and also the EIN number. An EIN number is the 9-digit number that is for the LLC. It's pretty much like, think of it as the social security of the business. You need these two things to be like officially established, like to open up a business bank account, a business credit card. So we're going to do that really fast and easy today. And if you want to follow along with the whole process, don't procrastinate. Just let's get this done today. The link will be in the description as well as in the pinned comments. You can click that link so it'll take you straight here and we can get started right away. So we are on Tailor Brands. Highly recommend Tailor Brands for all your business stuff. Like, I've opened a couple of LLCs with these people and it's one of the best services I've had. So if you want to follow along, links in the description. We're going to go and get started. We're going to put Georgia here and click get started. Great. Now you want to have a business name already in mind before you get started. For me, I'm going to put Midtown Power Seller. I sell on Amazon, and this is like, let's say I'm trying to open up another Amazon business. You don't need to type in LLC because it's going to do it already for you. So we're going to check if that name's available, and yes, it is. So we're going to get started here. Click next. And now it's going to ask you a couple of simple questions, really fast and easy. What stage is your business currently in? For me, I'm taking the first few steps. When do you plan on launching? Click what works for you. Mine's going to be in a few weeks. What industry are you in? So if you type in any letter here, you're going to see a bunch of industries, right? For me, I'm e-commerce for selling on Amazon, and mine's is physical goods. What am I offering? Do you plan on hiring employees in the upcoming year? For me, I just sell online, so it's just going to be myself. If you do, you can click yes. If you're not sure, of course, click here. This is not going to affect your LLC. Just click what works for you. And then we're going to put our zip code here. And is your business an online business, a brick and mortar storefront, or on the go? For me, it's an online business. We'll click next here. It's going to ask, what have you done already for this business? And honestly, I've done none of this, so we're just going to skip this here. How did you discover Tailor Brands? So, if you're watching this video, just look for YouTube right here, click next. And then they're offering a 12-week free coaching program. I'm going to pass on this just because I'm okay with the whole coaching stuff. But if you want to join, it's free, something to check out. But for me, I'm going to just click no thank you. And now just put in your contact info here. So this is an example video, so I'm just going to put some random stuff here really quick. And then boom. And then, okay. And then the password. Okay. Click next here. And we're almost done with the LLC. It's really fast. So that's great. All right. Now, this is something that I recommend you to do. Tailor Brands can get the EIN number for you. Remember, I mentioned that you're going to need to get the LLC and the EIN number. They charge $99. It's like a one-time thing to get the EIN number. I recommend you to do it. It's really, I think it's worth it. Or you can do it yourself. Once your LLC is established, you'll go to the IRS website and you can handle it yourself. It's a pretty easy process, but let's say if you don't like to work on the computer and stuff, it could be a little bit of a pain. You have to do it during the weekdays, not the weekends, but you can do it yourself if you're trying to save some money. For this example, I'm just going to pay a little bit extra and get them to do the EIN number. That way I get the LLC and the EIN number, and that's it. I can open up my business bank account, business credit card, and start making money right away. We'll click next here. Now, people tend to get really confused with this question here. Assign your registered agent as required in Georgia. So you can pay Tailor Brands to be your own registered agent, or you could be your own registered agent. For me, I am personally always my own registered agent for all of my LLCs. The word registered agent seems to sound confusing, but that's pretty much who's going to be receiving the mail. So if you live in Georgia, odds are you're going to be your own registered agent. If you don't live in Georgia, then and you're creating an LLC in Georgia, then you have to have a registered agent. But most people, I would say like 95% of the people would be their own registered agent. The only time, like, let's say, why you would hire a registered agent, like, so let's say I'm trying to open an LLC in Georgia and I live in Florida, right? Then I would have to assign someone as a registered agent. So why would people even do this? Sometimes there's like tax benefits in different states and stuff like that. If your CPA recommends it, if you have like a multi-million-dollar business, but like the majority of people watching this, you and me, would be their own registered agent unless your CPA tells you otherwise. So let's go back here and we're going to appoint a different registered agent, which is going to be yourself. Click next here. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. And then this question here is stating like, do you want Tailor Brands to renew your LLC for you every year? They charge $199 extra to auto renew your LLC, or you can do it yourself and save that money. It all depends on your situation. You do have a couple of months to renew your LLC. I would say like 2 to 3 months. So I feel like that's enough time to like realize, you have to renew it or not. If you think you're gonna forget, you can click this. For me, I'm just gonna handle it myself to save some money. And now they're gonna ask, do you want a branding toolkit? No, thank you. This is something that I recommend you to check out. So you can get your LLC fast, expedited in 2 filing days for $49, or you can wait 2 weeks and not have to pay anything extra. For me personally, I would pay a little bit extra. Expedited filing time, $49. I think it's really worth it, especially if I'm trying to open up my business bank account, business credit card. But it all depends on your situation, right? Let's say if you're really busy and you have a lot on your plate, 2 weeks might not be that bad for you. But for this example, we're gonna go with the expedited filing time. We'll click next here. And now they're gonna ask 2 more questions, I believe. Do you want an operating agreement? You really don't need this at all. So we're gonna click, I'll figure it out myself. And do you want formation kit? You don't need this as well. We're gonna skip on this. And now, do you want invoicing and bookkeeping? This is pretty cool to check out. I like to manage my own books. I use QuickBooks. All depends on your situation. I've never used this service, but this does sound interesting for me. But I'm gonna click, I'll manage my own books and invoices since I'm a small business owner. And that's about it, guys. Now they're gonna ask, do you wanna get notified by your LLC status, compliance, and all that good stuff? Yes. Okay. Now we have the light plan, the essential plan, and the elite plan. But I recommend that we go with the light plan because we also did those 2 things earlier. We got the EIN number and we paid for expedited filing. So if we go back here with the light, you're gonna see that as well. So if you see here, there's a state required filing fee. So you always have to pay $100 for your LLC no matter what. That's like no matter what. So Georgia, it is $100. So we're gonna click this one here, and you're gonna see now that Georgia filing to create your LLC is $100, and the expedited filing, we're paying $49 extra. You can, wait 2 weeks and just pay $100. And if you go down here, we're gonna click more. The annual compliance here, we didn't click that because we're gonna renew our LLC. Operating agreement, you don't need that. Registered agent, you're gonna be your own registered agent. And the EIN number as well, we paid a little bit extra for that. That's about it, guys. You're just gonna continue payment, pay with your card, and that's all said and done. And that's exactly how you open up your LLC. After you pay with your card, they're gonna ask you a couple of questions, and for like, where do you want the business address to be and all that stuff. Like for me, for my online business, I always use my personal address. There's no issue with that whatsoever. If you have a storefront, of course, put the storefront address. But yeah, it's gonna ask you a couple of basic questions like that, and it's real fast and easy. And yeah, if you have any questions regarding any of this, leave a comment down below. I'll try to help you guys out as much as I can. Also, hit that like button, subscribe. I really, really appreciate you guys watching this video. If there's anything I can do to help you guys out more, question, comment down below. I'll try to respond even the same day to help you guys out. And that's about it, guys. See you on the next one. Peace.